Hello, I'm gonna give you 5 golden tips to have more profit in your trades. Um, First of all, trade more time frames. Um, I'm gonna show you. In 15-minute time frame, you see um, that Euro USD. I take this pair for example. I think it's the most trading pair in the world. I'm gonna show you how to do this. I'm gonna draw this line here. You see, maybe the pair is going down here. You see it? But if you take another time frame, for example 1 hour, if you draw the line again, you see the pair is probably going up. You see? Okay, we take another time frame again, the 4 hours time frame. Draw the line again. In this time frame, let's see, it's going probably a little more down and then back up. We see the 1 day time frame. The 1 day time frame, you see Euro USD is going up. See? Going much higher. I don't know till where, but I think, let's see, for 1 week. If you put a 1 week time frame and draw this line again, you see the pair is broken here. It's breakthrough. I think the pair will going up till around here. You see, it's very important to trade more time frames. So I hope you learn from this, and this was tip 1. It's a golden tip. Okay, the second important tip I'm gonna show you is don't trade the news, but the reaction of the news. I'm gonna show you how it works. Most of the time I'm going to investing.com. This is an economic calendar, and you can see there the most important events of the week or in the day. Let's take for example the German manufacturing PMI for January. The previous numbers are 58.3. The forecast is 57. If the numbers are better than this, euro goes up. If the numbers are worse, euro goes down. And I'm gonna show you by clicking here on German manufacturing what is give in the chart. Here you see the latest release is January 22, 2021. The forecast was 57.5. Actual was 57. So normal normal, if you go and see to the chart, euros go down then. So I'm gonna show you in the chart. Go to euro USD. January 22, it was around here, um, 12 o'clock Europe time. So you see, euro is falling down because of the numbers. Many pips, almost. Let's count. Almost 100 pips. It's many. So it's important that you don't trade here, that you trade before the news and trade the reaction of the news. Okay? I hope this is an important tip for you. The third tip I want to show you is don't trade the bubbles. Most of the time, bubbles are in cryptos, and I'm trading cryptos in Binance. Is a very good program and very safe. So I can show you what happens, for example, with the dark coin. Here it is. If you see the 1 hour time chart, you see it very well. You see they pump it and pump it and pump it, and it becomes on a bubble. If you buy, for example, here, within a second, within a couple of hours, you lost everything. You see? And I think Dogecoin gonna fall more than it goes from where it starts. Uh, okay, if you buy here again, then it's maybe a good investment, but stay away from these pumps and dumps coins. This happened with Dogecoin, yeah, and it was an organization on Reddit. Uh, Thousands and thousands of people tell to each other buy Dogecoin and they pump it, but they almost sell it immediately, and that's why they dump it again. But if you're too late and you buy here, you lost everything. Just stay away from these pumps. It's very dangerous. I'm gonna show you another coin, 1 inch crypto coin. Um, this is very healthy, very good coin. You see, it goes up and down, ups and down. Here it go, more up. It go probably a little bit down and go up again. But this is a good coin. I can tell you, go away from this pumps and dumps coin. This is very dangerous to lose everything. Tip 4. Set your stop loss correct. For example, I'm gonna trade a pair dollar to Swiss franc. So I draw a line here to put your stop loss correct. So I think I'm almost sure that the pair will go up till the yellow line and then go down again till here around. But I'm gonna sell it here. So if you sell the pair here, you have to put a stop loss. So if the pair broke through the line and it go the wrong direction, you lose a minimum of money if you put a stop loss. Hope you understand this. I'm going to show you in a broker, an old broker I used before, and I'm going to show you how you do this. So on the yellow line is 0.89267. I put it in my broker also, 7, and the amount is $100, and the leverage is 30. Now we're gonna put a stop loss. I put it on 7% of mine amount, but you can go lower if you want, but I think 7% is good. If it go the wrong direction, you lose 7%, so it's a little bit more than $7 on a hundred amount. You see, it's very important that you do this to lose a minimum on money if it go the wrong side. Okay, tip 5. Don't put your leverage too high. This is gambling. I'm gonna show you on the broker before. We sell this pair around 0.89621 like before, and the leverage we have 30. You see, if we take the 200 pips stop loss, you see it here, 0.89839, and we put the leverage on 30. If it go the wrong direction, above the yellow line, you know, then the trade stops at $72 loose. But if you change the leverage to 20, the stop loss is $48. If you change it to 10, stop loss is $24. So the leverage is very important. How higher the leverage, how more you lose. Some people trade on 500 leverage, of 1000 leverage. If it go the wrong direction, it's gambling. You lose a lot of money then. So it's important to set your leverage not too high. Um, Trading is patience, and you better open more positions on lower leverage. Hope you learn from my tips. Please like and subscribe my channel on YouTube for more education. Good luck.